no! Daisy's ball has disappeared in the water. We'll have to wait for the water to go down, then it'll come back, won't it? Yeah. What about you, Bucks? And certain other people seem to be frightened to go in the water. And Daisy's still looking for her lost ball. Aren't you going to do anything, Bucks? Yeah, Buckley. Buckley, go. Oh no, Tally's got it. Ooh. Buckley, go. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Tally. Ready. Go. Daisy's still looking for her ball, which is sunk. Barkley, go. Barkley, go. Go. Good boy. Just the wet snout.